Energy. It affects us all. From the single mother putting the kettle on to the shadowy elite switching on the mood lighting for his love dungeon. We all need power. Prime Minister Der Stärmer took to Parliament today, followed by his lovely dog, to deploy dramatic net zero agendum across the country. The topic of climate is a ding-dong. Some believe the world will end by 3 p.m. if we don't all start using tofu suppositories. Others would cheerfully frack the Earth's core to fuel their 15th Volvo. Labour sides with the e-coconuts and goes all in on renewables. Solar power to be used absolutely everywhere. Even tiled panels attached to sunbathers' buttocks, giving new meaning to the phrase, sun's out, buns out. Crispy. A novel approach for wind energy. White ugly straight people force-fed 10-bean chili round the clock. They're flatulating to fuel the national grid. And once their gastric systems expire, their stomachs made into foie gras pauvre, a delicacy served to global glitterati. Beyonce's review, bussin'. If all else fails in a bid to reach carbon-free goals, the fat white duke falls back on his only logical contingency, choral energy. The PM's top expert, Billy Crystal, advises using 7 herds of 12 castratos singing the hymn Living on a Prayer to bar Albion from the brink of blackout-induced dystopia. So, whether you plan to keep your family fed by carpool karaoke, orgones, or Shakti, we wish you well. Though it's hard to live by good vibes only if you only have good vibes to keep the lights on. Your opinions are as teleologically immaterial to the Yanospace Directorate as their inchoate chances of ersatz success. We are guinea pigs. If we squeak, we go splat. Just keep running. Pathetic news. Verum mendacium.